Look up at the night sky. Those tiny sparkles? They are not just stars. They are the scattered sparks of entire galaxies drifting across a universe so vast it mocks imagination. A galaxy is an empire of stars, billions or even trillions, held together by gravity, dark matter, and mysteries we still haven't unlocked. Our own Milky Way is just one spiral among an ocean of structures stretching beyond vision. But galaxies are not peaceful kingdoms. They collide, devour, reshape themselves. Some grow monstrous black holes at their centers. Others spin like cosmic hurricanes. Some, like elliptical galaxies, shine like ancient ghosts full of dying stars. Every shape tells a story. Every swirl is a signature of cosmic evolution. Here comes the shocker. We used to think galaxies were rare. Now we know there are 2 trillion of them. Each one is its own universe within the universe. Galaxies fight. They merge. They rip stars away from each other. They create new worlds and destroy old ones in the same heartbeat. Even the Milky Way has a dark future. It's speeding toward the Andromeda Galaxy, and in about 4 billion years, the two will collide and combine into a new mega-galaxy. A cosmic rebirth through destruction. And now the turning point. The brightest things in the universe, quasars, are galaxies gone wild, feeding giant black holes at their cores. Think of them as galaxies screaming their existence across the cosmos. But galaxies also hide secrets. Some glow with mysterious halos of dark matter. Some flicker like lanterns from the first era after the Big Bang. Some vanish behind cosmic dust, invisible yet enormous. And some contain stars older than time as we measure it, fossils of the universe's first light. Here's the final twist. Galaxies aren't just floating islands. They are connected in a vast cosmic web, filaments stretching hundreds of millions of light years, binding everything together like a skeleton of the universe. We look at galaxies to understand the beginning. We study them to predict the end. And somewhere, on some spiral arm of some swirling giant, another civilization may be looking right back.